Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a topic that is on everyone's mind: artificial intelligence. Yep, AI is everywhere, from chatbots and self driving cars to tools that write essays or create art. But with all this AI buzz, there is one big question: how do we survive and thrive in this AI driven world? Stick around because I am sharing everything you need to know to not just survive but absolutely crush it on the age of AI. AI is not the future, it is now. It is changing jobs, industry, and even the way we live our daily lives. And here is the thing: whether you like it or not, AI is here to stay. So let's talk about what you can do to stay ahead. So, first step is understand AI. First, let's break it down. AI is just a tool, a really smart tool that solves problems and makes our lives easier. It is not a robot takeover. Understanding the basics of AI will help you adapt faster. Learn what machine learning is, how chatbots like ChatGPT work, or how power powers apps like Instagram and Spotify. Trust me, just knowing the basics will make you feel way too more confident, right? So, step 2 is learn and evolve. Lifelong learning is key. AI is evolving every single day, and guess what? You need to evolve too, right? Lifelong learning is your secret weapon. Take courses, watch tutorials, and stay curious. Don't just stop at coding or AI tech. AI also needs people with creativity, ethics, and leadership skills. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or even YouTube are packed with free resources to get you started, right? And step 3, focus on soft skills. Here is the good news: AI might be able to do calculation or write essays, but it can't replace things like empathy, creativity, or critical thinking. So, focus on skills like communication, teamwork, and problem solving. These will always be in demand. So, I want to tell you here what is critical thinking. Critical thinking means हमारा माइंड ओपन रहे हर चीज़ को एडाप्ट करने के लिए। पहले ही हमने कोई प्री कंसीव नोशंस बनाए ना रखे हों, कोई बिलीव माइंड में नहीं रख रखे हों, तो उसे क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग कह सकते हैं। सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप is choose future proof careers. Not every job will survive the AI revolution, but new jobs are being created every day. Careers in AI development, healthcare tech, green energy, or even creative fields like video editing are thriving. And don't forget roles in AI ethics, data security, and human AI collaboration. Explore careers that merge technology with creativity, like designing AI tools or creating interactive experiences. Next step is use AI as a tool. It is not your enemy. Let's flip the script. AI is not here to replace you, it is here to help you. Use AI tools to boost your productivity. For example, I use AI to brainstorm video ideas, edit scripts, and even automate repetitive tasks. Think of AI as your personal assistant. And next step is stay ethical and responsible. But wait, let's talk about something important: ethics. AI has its challenges like privacy issues and biases. As AI users, it is our responsibility to demand fair and transparent practices. If we want AI to benefit humanity, we need to use it wisely, right? And next and last step is stay resilient. The mindset shift. Finally, let's talk mindset. The world is changing fast and it is easy to feel overwhelmed. But here is the thing, humans have always adapted from the industrial revolution to the internet age. We have always found a way. Stay positive, keep learning, and focus on what you can control. So, there you have it everything you need to not just survive but thrive in the age of AI. Remember, AI is not enemy, it is tool, and with the right mindset and skill you can use it to your advantage. If you found this video helpful, let me know in comments. Tell also what is your biggest concern or curiosity about AI. I would love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep thriving. Thank you.